Hi all, welcome back to another video. In my previous video I mentioned that I will be dressing an Edo bride. So this is my culture and I'm so excited to show you how we dress bride in my culture. So my friend today is willing to do that for us, and I also want to use this opportunity to thank those of you who are subscribed to my channel. I am really happy and thank you very much, and may you succeed in all your endeavor. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, because you will definitely, like I always say, find something that may interest you or may interest your friend. So please share my video. So here is my friend and sister that will be doing the modeling for us today, and this is the before, and please stay with us and watch the afterwards of this video. So thank you very much and keep watching. The first thing we are going to do with the style I'm giving her today is to part the hair in 3 places. One pony at the back, and then we leave the hair around the pony, and another little pony in the front. I'm going to attach this pony to her head to make it bigger, and I will sew around it to keep it firm on her hair. I'm not going to make it too tight. I'm going to make it a bit loose because we are taking it out after photo shooting. She's not going to get married now, not at the moment. She's just modeling it for us today. Next is to work with the hair around the pony. I will brush the hair to cover the pony, and then I will use gel. You can use hairspray if that is what you like. Now I have to style the pony in the front. I will use a little gel . And I will braid it. And so the next thing we are going to be applying is the band for the hair here. But if you want to also know how I make this, just let me know on the comment section. I will show you the tutorial for this as well. So we are going to place it on our hair. It was very wide, so we don't want it to be too wide like this, so we are going to fold it. I'm going to hide because her hair is very long, so I'm going to hide her hair inside. and I'm going to be sewing it in. The pony in the front is going to join the pony in the back, but with her hair alone, it's not going to be firm like the one you see here in the mannequin. What we do is that we normally attach this type of yarn or braid to it to make it firm. If you want to see how I do this braid, let me know as well. This is called a tonugbo in my place. So now we are going to fix this one in as well. I would like to hear from your comments which of my tutorial you like the more, so that I can make more of that. And also at the end of this video, we are going to show some slides of this dressing what we make today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you see that red button down below, red subscribe button, please hit it, and also the notification bell to get notification whenever I upload more video. We are almost done. She have changed to our attires, and this is the look that we are going on today. Of course, there are still some things left. She still needs to put on her jewelries, and that is also one of the most important things. And this is the dress, and here she have to put on her earring. So now we are finished with the look. I hope you guys like it. If you want to see more tutorial on this, let me know on your comments below. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and thank you all for watching.